Well, hello, my acolytes. Wizard or Prophet here again with another project, kind of review. When I'm out riding my motorcycle, my gear weighs a ton. And frequently, what started all this actually was I was on my way going to church and I went to go hang up my Aerostitch one-piece suit. I go to go hang it up and there are no hangers. There's no hangers. I don't know why you have a rack with no hangers. So I walked all over the church and looked at the other three entrances to see if they had, there's no hangers. And I'm like, what's the point of having a coat rack with no hangers? But that happens all the time. It happens at work. It can happen at a hotel or a motel, or walking into a restaurant, there's a coat rack, but there's no hanger. And so I was like, I really would like to get some kind of hanger to take with me on my motorcycle. And I thought about that. I was like, where have I seen a collapsible hanger before? And I thought about that doctor, that evil doctor on Raiders of the Lost Ark. He comes in and scares the girl by pulling out this thing. It looked like nunchucks with the chain on it. And she's like, ah, and then he folds it into a hanger and hangs his jacket up. I wanted something like that. So I was like, well, is that actually available? And yeah, you can find reproductions of that for like $100. And do I want to look like a Nazi? Not really, but it's a cool hanger. So I said, well, what else do they have? And while I was perusing on Amazon, I found some collapsible, foldable aluminum hangers. And you can get them in all kinds of different colors. And I bought a 3-pack, and I think they were like 12 bucks, 13 bucks. I'll put it down here, you'll see it. I don't have my phone to look it up right now. But here they are. They're tiny little things. They're about 5-6 inches long. They're made out of aluminum. They're pretty beefy. And they just fold like this. And you've got mostly a full-size hanger, and because it's metal, it actually holds quite a bit. Now the problem, do you see the problem here? These are obviously made in China, where everything we own and buy is. This microphone's made in China, my camera's made in China, the phone that you're sitting on the toilet watching this video with is made in China. I don't know, that is not a standard hook. It's tiny. This little teeny, that will not fit a standard clothes rack in the United States. So what I ended up doing is I brought out my angle grinder and I just ground down that hook. And so now I've got a bigger opening. I left the hook the same, although I could have widened that up a little bit. But it's wide enough now that if I have a wide hook, it will hang on it. Now, I wanted to show you this. I brought out one of my Lenglitz jackets here, one of my prized possessions that I've had for over 20 years. This jacket is made out of goat skin. It is the padded Columbia. It weighs over 8 pounds. Heavy, heavy jacket. And if I put this on here, it holds it up. No problem. It doesn't collapse. It's on there. It's not going anywhere. If you are looking, I mean, it doesn't have to be for your motorcycle gear. It could be for anything that you need a little portable hanger, and I got mine in green, so I would remember that it's mine. There you go. Fantastic. Easy to cut off and just file that off, and holds a tremendous amount of weight. Now, it's very thin. You have very thin shoulders here. Would I store a heavy leather jacket on there for a long time? No, I would not. I do not keep my jackets on this. My jackets have wide shouldered hangers to put on there to keep their shape. But for a temporary ride or overnight, something like that. Heck, if you're riding overnight, and you're going to hang it up in a closet for a week or something like that, and you're a little worried that it's gonna, pull or distort your leather, get a pair of socks, put it on there. Highly recommend these. I have no affiliation with them. I don't even know who makes these. I'll try to put a link in the description below. Anyway, portable hangers, foldable hangers. Don't look like a Nazi. Hold up your motorcycle gear. They're great. All right. Thought I had something more to say. Like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.